And here is another example on rounding off to decimal places. In this example, we are to round off 0.05384 to 1 dp, 2 dp, 3 dp, and 4 dp. Do not forget that when you see this dp, it is meaning that you are to round off to the stated decimal places. That is, dp stands for decimal places. Now, solution. A, we are to round off 0.05384. And this is to 1 decimal place. So to do that, we have to identify the first digit after the decimal point. And that is our rounding off point. It is occupied by digit 0. And the next digit to this is digit 5. And remember that when the next digit is between 0 to 4, we round down. But when it is between 5 to 9, we round up. So in this case, we are rounding up. That implies we are adding 1 to our rounding off point. And that will give us 0.1. Now, every other digit becomes 0, and we don't need to write them down. So we just inscribe that this is done to 1 dp. And then now we answer question B, where we are rounding off 0.05384, but this time to 2 decimal places. And the digit that is in our rounding off point would be digit 5. And next to digit 5, we have digit 3. And digit 3 is amongst those sets of digits that will imply that we round down. So when we round down, it means we're adding just 0 to our rounding off point. And that would give us 0.0. Now 5 plus 0 is 5, and this is 2 dp's. Now C, 0.05384, and this time to 3 decimal place. And the digit at our rounding off point is digit 3, and next to 3 we have 8. And 8 implies that we are going to round up. That is, we add 1 to our round off point. And that will give us 0.05. Now, 3 plus 1 gives us 4. And this is 3 dp's. You can try the fourth one yourself and see what you get. Compare it with this now. For the fourth one, we are doing to 4 decimal places. That is 0.05384. And when you approximate this to 4 decimal places, you should get 0.0538. And this is to 4 decimal places. Thank you.